Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. Today's study session is going to be about the Microsoft Cybersecurity Architect SC100. The reason that I think I'm going to follow this right now because it's the one that I've been more familiar with the different tools working with Defender 365, Microsoft Sentinel, Azure, and Intune. So I figure I go this way for now, take the exam, and then move on to the other certifications. So let's begin. The Microsoft Cybersecurity Reference Architecture. Okay, as you can see, I have a picture here of what it is. It has the reference has end-to-end security architecture. It has zero trust, adaptive access, people, zero trust, security operations, operational technology, threat environment, development, DevSecOps, infrastructure, Microsoft security capabilities, operational technology. In this video, I'm not going to go through all the different tools or references that it's making, but this is just one of many, which I will be getting more in depth for each one of those that is referencing to, so that you can also be aware and learn more about the cybersecurity architect certification. So here we go. So the Microsoft Cybersecurity Reference Architecture is an essential component of Microsoft's Security Adoption Framework, SAF. It serves as a comprehensive guide that outlines recommended approaches for designing and implementing security systems and networks. So here are the key points about the MCRA, or the Microsoft Cybersecurity Reference Architecture. So from now on, we're just going to say MCRA. Purpose and scope. The MCRA describes the Microsoft's cybersecurity capabilities and technologies. It provides detailed technical diagrams that illustrate how Microsoft security capabilities integrate with various platforms, including Microsoft 365, Microsoft Azure, third-party apps like ServiceNow and Salesforce, third-party platforms like Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Google Cloud, GCP platform, Google Cloud platform. Sorry. First and third-party AI capabilities. So contents. The MCRA includes valuable information on anti-patterns, common mistakes, and best practices. The MCRA includes valuable information on anti-patterns, common mistakes, and best practices. Oops, I repeated that, sorry. Guiding rule sets for end-to-end architecture, threat trends, and attack patterns. Mapping Microsoft capabilities to organize roles, mapping Microsoft capabilities to zero trust standards, strategies for securing privileged access, reference plans with SAF, including examples of patching modernization use cases. Organizations use the MCRA for several purposes. As a starting template for defining a target state for cybersecurity capabilities across their enterprise state, including on-premises, mobile devices, multiple clouds, and IoT operational technology. As a comparison reference to assess their existing technology stack against Microsoft's recommendations. As a learning tool to understand Microsoft capabilities and integration investments. For individuals new to cybersecurity, it serves as a valuable resource for learning and career preparation. So note that. Microsoft or Certified Cybersecurity Architect Expert validates expertise in designing and evolving cybersecurity strategies. As a cybersecurity, as a certified cybersecurity architect, you play a critical role in safeguarding an organization's assets, business operations, and overall enterprise architecture. Here are the key details about this certification. Number one, responsibilities. Translation of strategy. You translate a cybersecurity strategy into practical capabilities that enhance security. Zero trust principles. You design solutions following the zero trust principles and best practices. Security domains. Your expertise spans various security domains, including identity, devices, data, applications, network infrastructure, and DevOps. Collaboration. You work closely with IT security leaders and practitioners to align security with business needs. Skills measured. Design alignment. You design solutions that align with security best practices and priorities. Security operations. Your expertise extends to designing security operations, identity management, and compliance capabilities. Infrastructure solutions. You create security solutions for infrastructure components. Application and data security. You address security concerns related to applications and data. Certification path. To earn the MCAE, which is the Microsoft Cybersecurity Architect Expert certification, you must pass one of the following exams: the SC200 Microsoft Security Operations Analyst, SC300 Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator, or AZ500 or AZ, as we say here in Canada, Microsoft Azure Security Technologies. So, preparation. Microsoft recommends obtaining one of the prerequisite certifications before attempting the Cybersecurity Architect exam. The certification will be updated in English on April 23rd, 2024. So it hasn't happened yet, but it will happen soon. So stay informed about incoming changes. In summary, this certification validates your ability to design and implement robust security solutions, making you a valuable asset in protecting organizations from cyber threats. So I would advise you, if you want to take all this, cybersecurity architect certifications, you have to know the basics. Like I would take a bit of a Cisco training, knowing the network. If you don't know anything about networking, take the well, before it used to be called the ICND1, and they had the ICND2. Instead of taking the whole CCNA exam certification, so now it's ICND1, ICND2. So I'm not sure if you can do that, but I would take the basic Cisco training for networking, so you can have a knowledge base of networking. Like know the different layers. How the router switch communicates, the different protocols that it uses, etc. And then I would take the A plus, the Security Plus, and the Network Plus, or A plus, Network Plus, and Security Plus exam. Then I would go for any other certification, because you got to cover your bases, so that you know exactly what are you walking into. You have to know the minimum basics, know the different domains and networks, different architectures, Linux, Windows, Mac, uh, protocols, ports, most known ports, etc. So that you don't walk into this and like, I don't know. I wasn't really prepared. So think about that. The MCRA includes key information about anti patterns, common mistakes, and best practices. guiding rule sets for end-to-end architecture, threat trends, and attack patterns, mapping Microsoft capabilities to organizational roles, mapping Microsoft capabilities to zero trust standards, securing privileged access, reference plans in SIF, including example of patching, modernization, prioritizing using attacker return on investment, and more. Okay, the MCRA also includes detailed technical diagrams for Microsoft cybersecurity capabilities, zero trust user access, security operations, operational technology, multi-cloud and cross-platform capabilities, attack chain coverage, infrastructure and development security, security organizational functions. The MCRA encompasses a comprehensive approach to bolstering cybersecurity through various capabilities. These capabilities span across different domains and are essential for securing modern IT environments. Let's delve into the key tools and capabilities referenced into the MCRA. IAM, Identity and Access Management. IAM tools are crucial for managing user identities, authentication, and authorization. Microsoft provides robust identity and access management solutions through Azure Active Directory or Azure AD or Azure Entra, which is called now, which includes features like multi-factor authentication, conditional access, and identity protection. Excuse me, I'm going to drink some coffee. Data protection. Data protection tools safeguard sensitive information. Azure Information Protection helps classify, label, and encrypt data, ensuring its confidentiality. Sorry. Network security. Network security tools protect communication channels. Azure Firewall, Azure Network Security Groups, and Azure Virtual Network Service endpoints are part of Microsoft Network Security offering. Incident response. Incident response tools help detect, investigate, and mitigate security incidents. Azure Sentinel, a cloud-native SIEM, um, aids in threat detection and response. Governance, risk, and compliance, GRC. Governance, risk, and compliance tools ensure compliance with regulations and industry standards. Azure Policy, Azure Blueprints, and Azure Security Center assist in enforcing policies and assessing compliance. Security operations, SecOps. SecOps tools streamline security management. Azure Security Center, Azure's Monitor, and Azure Log Analytics provide visibility and monitoring capabilities. Operational technology security. OT, or operational technology, security tools protect industrial control systems. So ICS. Azure Defender for IoT and Azure Industrial IoT address OT security challenges. Multi-cloud multi-cloud and cross-platform capabilities. Microsoft's security capabilities extend beyond Azure. Integration with third-party platforms like AWS and Google Cloud Platform is also considered. Attack chain coverage. The MCRA emphasizes understanding the attack lifecycle. Tools like Azure ATP, Advanced Threat Protection, and Microsoft Defender for Endpoint cover various stages of an attack. Infrastructure and development security. Ensuring security infrastructure and code is vital. Tools include Azure DevOps, Azure Key Vault, and Azure Security Development Lifecycle. And here is a reference of the Microsoft MCRA. So as you can see, it refers to the security operations, the SOC, the endpoints, hybrid infrastructure, IaaS, PaaS, on-premise, software as a service, information protection, Azure Active Directory, identity and access, people security, um, endpoint and devices. So, I'm gonna the next following uh, videos, I will dive more in depth in the following videos, in the upcoming videos, because I'm really studying for this certification. So I will go back because this is my way of studying. So thank you very much for listening, and also if you're thinking of taking the exam, good luck. Thank you.